It's good to be in Wonolewu as well. I have covered the Central and the Western Division over the last 4 days. And have come across last night, arriving early this morning, and we have started with the visit today, returning to Suva tomorrow. Basically, it's just to follow up on the report that has been given to NDMO by Commissioner Northern and his team, and of course to look at the immediate assistance that has already been provided as well, and most importantly coordinate the rest of the work, particularly on ongoing assistance that will be needed, and of course the damage assessments and the rest of the work, particularly the restoration of essential services and the return of people that are still left in the evacuation center. So started the visit this morning up in Kortari, and then Wunimoli and Imli Road, and then Wunivau and Sosoa, and then cut across to the Kondrabe, visit villages in Vaturaba, Tikina, particularly the villages of Watukuda, Wavu and Korokoli. And now we are here at Balango in Sabsabu, basically following up on the areas that were affected by the flood. It's way too early to finalize the total costs, but I'm sure by tomorrow we should have some rough indication, and that is the message that has been stressed by the Permanent Secretary as well today during the 11 o'clock briefing, that we want to conclude the damage assessments and compile the report, because we do not know what's coming next, and it's best that we finalize things while waiting for the next one. So hopefully by Monday we should have some rough indications on costs and the extent of damages in all sectors, and of course in the 4 divisions. Now the general advice remains. We need to be vigilant, and we need to take responsibility seriously. Listen to the advice, and let's move when it is safe. Again, we are not out of the season yet, and as I stated the other day, the prediction is we will have 2 or 3 that will be coming our way. We've gone through the first one. God forbid we do not know what's coming next, but the best thing for us to do is continue to prepare and work together. We have government agencies that are available, the divisional commissioners. They need to contact their local officials and continue to work together for the good and the betterment of the communities, particularly their safety and their well-being.